So I got this new feeder specifically for the small birds. And this little fellow, he has been sitting on it for over 5 minutes now. And he's still here. The bird food, I can't remember the name right now, but I saw a guy on YouTube. I'll have to provide his name, but the Backyard Bird Man, I can't remember. Anyways, he recommended this food. And yesterday when I went to go buy some more Niger, I think that's how you pronounce the food, for the goldfinch, I saw this food that has Niger in it too. And it said it attract the smaller birds. Look, there's another one. Oh my goodness. And they're in the tree right now. And so anyways, I bought it. And first the goldfinch were on it this afternoon, this morning and this afternoon. The chickadee did get on it. Oh look, they're both. I was telling my husband, I was like, this is the longest I've ever seen this bird stay still. Look, babe, they're both on there now.
They're both on
The other one's on the other side. I'm just telling everybody, this is like the most I've seen this bird stand still. Look at that. They love it. They love that food. That man was right. Let me see if I can zoom in. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so happy they like this food because the other birds weren't letting them eat. So I'm glad. Now the female red-winged blackbird did come to this feeder, but it kind of made me mad because it was just throwing the food on the ground because it didn't like what was in it. But they haven't come back, so that's a sign that this food is not for them. Now I have noticed I have 4 chickadees that are around here. So, and I have 4 or 6 titmouse. I know for sure I have 4, but I'm not sure if I have 6 because I've seen them so sporadically just fly so fast. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. So they've been on this, at least one of them has been on for almost 10 minutes now, okay? I've been recording for 4 minutes and it was on there 5 minutes before. Wow, they love this food. I will post a picture of it so y'all can see it. It's supposed to be high in protein, gives them high energy, so, oh, they look so cute. The other one's in the tree. So, yeah, I'll post that. And the man who recommended the food too.